Hi, I'm Eli Plaskett with Modern Machine Shop, and I'm here at IMTS 2024. We're going to do a quick tour of McCormick Place just so you can orient yourself and find what you need to find at IMTS. Let's go. We're here in the Central Hall at McCormick Place. Here you can see the main stage, as well as these helpful lines that can point you exactly where you need to go. They include letters and directional arrows so you can find the exact hall you're looking for. We're going to head to the South Hall first. I'm here in the South Hall where you can find most of the major machine tool manufacturers. There's Mazak, Okuma, Haas, DN Solutions. A lot of machine tools on display with cells designed to show off automation solutions as well as complex parts and high production parts, so you know exactly what these machine tools can provide, and you can talk to a lot of dealers who can help you find out how they can work for your shop. Let's go over to the North Hall to see automation. Here we are in the North Hall where you're going to see a lot of abrasive solutions as well as saws. You can see universal grinding right here in the front. This is also the first year the North building has had this automation section. It's the first dedicated automation section in IMTS history. It's become such an important part of shops of every size. Here you can see robots and cobots as well as other automation solutions, and you can peruse to your heart's content. We're here at the entrance to the East Hall where there are software solutions. Mastercam, Hexagon, every company that provides CAD/CAM, ERP, or other shop solutions to help you run your business better and get the right parts out quickly. Another feature of the East Hall is measuring technology. You have Bloom, Renishaw, HiQA, Zeiss, all the technology that goes into making sure your parts are of the highest quality your customers demand, as well as performing those measurements quickly so that you can get those parts to your customers as fast as possible. Other features of this hall are fabrication and laser cutting, as well as machine components, those small pieces of technology that are absolutely vital to your production cells. All right, here we are in the West Building where we're going to find tooling and work holding as well as additive manufacturing and a wide range of conferences for learning about technical information that you can take home to your shop. Again, we're going to see lots of cutting tool makers, work holding, vise producers, and the additive manufacturing is going to range from large metal 3D printers to the small desktop printers that can produce jigs and fixtures you can use for machining your parts. Thank you for joining us for this quick tour of IMTS. I hope it helps you find your way around the various show floors and get to the technology you need to explore for your shop. Check us out at mmsonline.com and see us at the show.